Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Almighty and compassionate Creator, in the midst of the chaos and demands of life, I come before you with a heart burdened by the weight of exhaustion and burnout. You, who understands the intricacies of every soul, witness the fatigue that clings to my spirit. In this moment of vulnerability, I seek solace in your divine presence. Grant me the strength to surrender my burdens at your feet. Release me from the shackles of self-imposed expectations and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Help me to embrace the truth that my worth is not solely determined by my productivity, but by the inherent value bestowed upon me as your creation. As I tread this path of weariness, illuminate my way with the light of your grace. Let your mercy flow like a gentle stream, washing away the residue of stress and anxiety that has accumulated within me. Fill my heart with the soothing balm of your love, reassuring me that I am not alone in this struggle. Bless me with the wisdom to recognize the signs of burnout and the courage to take the necessary steps to restore my well-being. Guide me towards practices that replenish my body, mind, and spirit. May I find moments of stillness in the midst of life's tumult, where I can connect with the tranquility that resides within your eternal embrace. In the sanctuary of prayer, let me discover the power of letting go. Help me release the need for control and the illusion of invincibility. Teach me the art of surrender, so that I may find peace in trusting your divine plan, even when it diverges from my own. Grant me the gift of resilience, that I may rise from the ashes of burnout with renewed vigor and purpose. Infuse me with the energy to face challenges with a spirit undeterred by fatigue. May I draw strength from the wellspring of your love, replenishing my reserves when they run dry. As I navigate the labyrinth of responsibilities, instill in me a sense of balance. Let me discern between that which is essential and that which is superfluous. Guide my steps towards a harmonious experience where I prioritize self-care without guilt, recognizing that in nurturing myself, I am better equipped to serve others. Pour forth your healing grace upon my mind, body, and soul. Heal the wounds inflicted by stress and fatigue, and rejuvenate my spirit like the gentle rain that nourishes the earth. May the embers of my passion be fanned into flames anew, igniting a fervor for life's journey that transcends the weariness of the moment. In this sacred communion, I place my trust in your boundless love and mercy. May this prayer be a conduit for divine restoration, a whispered plea that echoes in the chambers of your benevolent heart. Amen.